A busy restaurant kitchen depends on more than great food and a great staff. Behind the scenes, the plumbing system works constantly to keep water flowing, dishes clean, drains clear, and the stoves and ovens hot. Restaurant plumbing handles demands that go far beyond the average kitchen. Commercial kitchens rely on multiple sinks, floor drains, high-capacity hot water, specialized equipment, and drainage systems, all while handling heavy use throughout the day. Commercial kitchen gas hookups are also crucial to restaurant operations. Gas lines are used to heat ranges, cooktops, stoves, deep fryers, and water heaters. Restaurant employees are often the first to notice when something isn't working quite right. Plumbing issues deserve attention sooner rather than later. If you notice any of the following warning signs, address them quickly. Sinks or floor drains that empty slowly. Recurring drain clogs or backups. Unpleasant odors coming from drains. Leaking faucets, fixtures or pipes. Changes in water pressure. Inconsistent or insufficient hot water, or unusual sounds coming from pipes or water heaters. Routine plumbing maintenance can help restaurants identify developing problems before they become disruptive emergencies. Keeping drains, fixtures, water heaters, and other plumbing components in good working order helps protect your kitchen from unexpected downtime. Whether you're dealing with a clogged drain, plumbing repair, water heater problem, or another plumbing concern, Catons is ready to help keep your restaurant moving, so your team can stay focused on serving your customers. Catons Plumbing, Drains, and Water Cleanup. Your restaurant plumbing pros. Call 410-267-6141 or visit callcatons.com.